Establishing the height and slope begins by nailing a 2x2 block perpendicular to the house. We'll run this block the whole width of the deck at about 30 inches from where the back of our RainTight system will end. This particular project has some soffit that extends from the back of the house, so the back side of our RainTight system will actually begin right at that edge. Here you can see the 10-foot length of board wasn't enough to span the entire width of the deck, so we go ahead and tack on another piece as needed to complete the width. Next, we'll go ahead and attach the string from our chalk line to one end of the board. We'll pull it tight and give ourselves a nice level line to adjust our block to, so that we can have the basis for a nice level system. As you can see here, our board was not completely level, as will be the case with most decks. We'll go ahead and tap that board down until it is completely level with the string. Once it is completely level, we'll go ahead and nail in the board at a toenail, securing it at our level line. Next, we'll go ahead and hang a short block on either end of the deck, about 4 or 5 feet away from the board we just hung. On the board we just hung, we'll attach the chalk line and run it towards the front of the deck. We'll go ahead and adjust for our slope here so that we can leave a line on the block that we hung, as well as the support post at the front. Once we've marked the line on the front support post, we'll attach the chalk line again and run it across the width of the front of the deck. Here we'll also slope the line from right to left, allowing for drainage for the gutter. As we're running our line from right to left across the front of the deck, it's a good time to look for in and out variants of our support posts. Our particular project doesn't have any in and out variants, it is all flat. Now that we have the line marked across the front of the deck, we can move on to the remaining side. We'll simply attach the chalk line to the bottom of the first board that we installed and run it to the last mark there on the front support post. That already has all of the slope and pitch incorporated. Now that the short blocks that we installed earlier have chalk lines marked out for the proper pitch, we can come back and simply cut these off right at that line. And once those are cut, we'll go ahead and attach our chalk line string from one end to the other, using the string as a guide to install another level hanging board. As we install the hanging blocks, when the deck is on 16-inch centers, we'll do every other one. When it's on 12-inch centers, we'll do about every third one. Now we'll just attach the board the whole width of the deck as we did earlier. Here we'll attach a board spanning the joint between the two pieces. Now that we have our lines for slope and pitch marked across the front support beams of the deck, we're going to mark another line that's a ½ inch below that. That line's going to be where we hang our gutter. That ½ inch lip gives our guttering a nice place to rest. Now that we have all of our mounting blocks installed, we have the foundation to go ahead and start our installation.